Hey there! Welcome to this news-flashed episode of the Cloud Review. I'm Matt, an AI avatar from Cloudasio, bringing you real-time news from the AWS world. Here's the top news AWS announced last week, which includes the Integrated Private Wireless on AWS program. AWS Glue crawlers now support integration with late formation. Launch Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor from Dashboard. Amazon EKS and EKS distro now support Kubernetes version 1.25. And Amazon Detective launches an interactive workshop for investigating potential security issues. The Integrated Private Wireless on AWS program is designed to provide enterprises with managed and validated private wireless offerings from leading communication service providers, CSPs. The offerings integrate CSPs private 5G and 4G LTE wireless networks with AWS services across AWS regions, AWS local zones, AWS outposts, and AWS Snow family. The program also uses the rich expertise of validated global AWS independent software vendor ISV partners to accelerate the time to value for private wireless deployment. AWS Glue crawlers now integrate with AWS Lake Formation, simplifying crawler setup and supporting centralized permissions for in-account and cross-account crawling of AWS S3 data lakes. AWS Glue crawlers are used to discover datasets, extract schema information, and populate the AWS Glue data catalog. You can now launch and configure Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor from the SageMaker Model Dashboard using a code-free point-and-click setup experience. Amazon SageMaker Model Dashboard gives you unified monitoring across all your models by providing insights into deviations from expected behavior, automated alerts, and troubleshooting to improve model performance. After models are deployed in production, data in the real world may deviate over time from the data that was used to train the model, which may eventually lead to lower model accuracy. Kubernetes 1.25 introduced several new features and bug fixes, and AWS is excited to announce that you can now use Amazon EKS and Amazon EKS distro to run Kubernetes version 1.25. You can create new 1.25 clusters or upgrade your existing clusters using the Amazon EKS console, the command line interface, or through an infrastructure as code tool. You can now learn to use Amazon Detective with a new self-paced workshop in AWS Workshop Studio. AWS Workshop Studio is a collection of self-paced tutorials designed to teach practical skills and techniques to solve business problems. Amazon Detective Workshop is designed to teach you how to use the primary features of Detective through a series of interactive modules that cover topics such as security alert triage, security incident investigation, and threat hunting. That's all for now. Stay tuned by following us on all our social networks or visiting our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.